Sure.
I'm Manish Pant from Luminous, and I think it's a good sequel to what you just said, because Luminous is, and this is what we see, that here we are in the energy optimization space, which is on the periphery of IT, I would say. And we are here making things in India and making a product which is inverters, which is something which is clearly made for the Indian customer. And it is a product which is now going outside of India to the same, to other locations which have similar energy issues as we do. Now, I think the challenge that we see is that, India is a large country, and how do we make energy affordable? And at some point of time in the past, energy reliability was a luxury. But today, all of us, including people in the rural India, want to make sure that their kids have lights to read. They have access to a good life. The wealth creation that is happening in the country is making those aspirations go up. And the challenge is, how do we meet those aspirations? And we make products affordable. I think India should be looked as not as one product suits all, but how do we segment the market? I mean, something to the point you just mentioned about aggregation. A different view is to segment it and create something which meets the needs of the different segments of the country. And here I think one of the challenges then, after you've innovated, is how do you make sure that your product reaches to those endpoints within the country. There was talk about 150,000 villages all over the country, and how do you create that distribution network that is able to access all of those customers?